Nitwacokereria mwiroreri wa ceceni ino ya Gikuyu TV murori wa Mugikuyu riri ni ikereka ritu ria keri ria mutamburuko witu wa mohoro ma Gikuyu hwaini twagucokeria ngatho cia mwanya ni undu wa unyitaniri waku kuma riria twajiriirie nginya riu twagiuka ikereka-ini ritu ria keri.
Reke tuthie na mbere na mohoro maitu hwaini wa umuthi na tukihukira ndeto ingi ya kiehaha ni ati mutumia wa senior chief kana wa mutigaire senior chief Koinange Mbiu ni ahurukire rucini rwa umuthi. Mutumia uyu ahurukire ari na ukuru wa miaka 117.
Elizabeth Gathoni Koinange arari mutumia wa gatano wa muthuri wa woikaine ta senior chief Koinange. Reke twamukire rugano ruru. Tugithii na mbere na mohoro maitu ni ati gavana wa kaunti ya Kiambu niwe Ferdinand Waititu ni augite ati thirikari yake ni gutigirira ati kambuni iria iri thiini wa kaunti ino ni cikwandika gicunje kia 75 hari 100 mawira andu aria maumite o kaunti-ini ino.
Zipora Kariuki ni mwandiki witu wa mohoro na ni atuhaririirie riboti ino na njira ndaya.
Akiaria hindi ya igongona ria kwihitithio kwa Minister Kenda a kaunti ya Kiambu, Governor Ferdinand Waititu ni atariirie ati ni megwikira watho kuri aria othe mari na aria mekuhingura kambuni cia biacara kaunti-ini ino kwandika makiria ma aruti wira 3 kuma kuri aikari a kaunti ino.
We want to make sure that every company or farm or industry that is doing business in Kiambu employs 3/4 of people who are from Kiambu. That one we must actualize. That one I will stand firm.
Akiana gitumi kia mwerekera uyu augite ati ni thutha wao kuona muingi wa kaunti ino nduri na mawira amu kambuni nyingi ciendekete andu a kuma nja wa kaunti ino.
Right now, if you go to many industries in Kiambu, you'll find that they don't want to employ our people. They are saying that I don't know that they want higher salaries on what and what. Many reasons.
Oguo ni augite ati wothe ugucaria license kana kweruhia license yake agirirwo gukorwo ahimbiirie ikinya riri.
Whether they are making roads, whether they are doing whatever business, whether it is an industry, whether it's a factory, whatever it is, first and foremost, before we issue them with a license, they must show us the list of their employees. And 3/4 of them must be either be born in Kiambu or their parents are born in Kiambu.
Oho ni ogirire kuga ati mari na itanya ria kuigaga kirathi kimwe kuri thukuru wothe wa kaunti ino niguo kuhe kanya arutwo wa kaunti ino aria mekaga wega no makaga gwitwo mathukuru ma national.
We are also going to make sure that all our schools, whether national or provincial, they have one class. That will be a law. They must have one class for the local students.
Mweneni wa minister wa mafarafara na wira wa muingi John Mwegwe akiheana miario ya kuingira wabici-ini ni iketie muhwa kuri MCA othe kumuteithiriria kurogota kigina kia matura niguo kuhotithia guthondeka makiria ma farafara 4,800 iria irabatara bilioni 150.
Kama kila mtu ambaye aliamuka leo alitumia barabara, si ndio? Na sasa ninasema hivi, show me the money and I'll make the roads. Sawa sawa.
Nake minister muamure wa ugima mwega wa mwiri Joseph Murega hindi ya kuoya mihitwa yake ni akenereirwo ni aingi ya MCA ya kaunti ino amu ni mamuwi na njira ya guteithia aingi hindi ya kugimara kwao gicigo-ini kia Thika na matura maria marigiceirie. Gikuyu hwaini ria kwaritwa ni Zipora Kariuki.
Itemine ria kugacirithia na gukinyaniria kioneki gia thirikari ya Jubilee muthenya wa umuthi mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni uneneire njung'wa na anyiti itemi honge-ini cia barabara na ministry-ini ya mahinya.
Hari mucemanio uria utabanirio nyumba-ini ya Harambee House guku mucii wa Nairobi, mutongoria wa bururi ni augite ati thirikari no iguthie na mbere gutambia thitima oro undu umwe na gwaka barabara cia rami. Reke riu twamukire riboti ino. Na kumana na riboti yo riu reke twambe tuguthuke matuka-ini turore uria ciringi atinde gicenjanio muthenya wa umuthi. Thutha-ini ucio tugucokereria na mohoro mangi maingi
megi mathako.